This is the next car. This is another Ford Mustang Boss. This is the orange one. All right. And this comes in basically the streamlined chassis. This is the streamlined chassis, okay? And that's what the Mega G Plus, all right, Mega G Plus racing system, all right? And now this is their collector series, okay? It doesn't have all the super FN chip. I think it's called FN, I can't remember this stuff. FN20 Advanced Power Unit, all right? That's what this is right here, FN20 Power Unit. But this is the orange Boss, Ford Mustang Boss, okay? Another sweet car you want to get. Another sweet car. This is 1/32 scale. I mean, not 130, 1/64 scale. And that's basically what their chassis are looking like and the body when they're connected, okay? And this is available. This is item number 21017 at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to hit the notification bell button, like us, and subscribe, baby. You'll get all my videos when I release them. And that's at ProTinkerToys.com. And thanks a lot.